Hey everyone, I am MD SAIKAT. Welcome to my YouTube channel. I am a normal human who learns like and teaches about digital marketing, graphic design, and AI content creation. Today is our second class about AI content creation. Class 2 AI Chatbot 1. We see this list in our class 1. Some of AI added here: Gemini AI, MAHTHIR AI, Pi AI, newly added here. Today we will see the common uses of AI. In our first class, we create this folder, so we will rename it to Chatbot AI. We can see that all of our AI in here. Double check it. Going to login. We need to sign in Google Chrome. We can use Chatbot AI for research assistant. I want to research about AI, so we need to give on in our life. I want to research about this topic, so I give ChatGPT about this. Now we can see that ChatGPT give us answer, and we can see the positive effects of AI and negative effects of AI. So we can research with Chatbot. If we have a specific topic, we can research with it. And we give the prompt here. We give it simply. This is not a strong prompt. We know a strong prompt. What is a strong prompt in our first class? In here we can see what a strong prompt is. We need to give the command how the AI should act like, what tasks we want to do with it, what the context our background it, and how should the output ChatGPT give us, and examples show what you want. Now let's give ChatGPT a strong prompt. Yeah. Let's see what ChatGPT gives us. We can see here ChatGPT gives us two answers. Respond 1 here, respond 2 here. The world in April 2026 is experiencing a period of tension. Answer here we can see that the answer of the updates of our world in here. So we can research with it in any topic what we need. There are options deep research. If we enable this, ChatGPT will think more time and give us a better result. So we can see that. Now we are moving to Gemini AI. The Gemini AI interface is this. We can also create image, music with Gemini AI, but we will see it in our next classes. Now step-by-step tutorials. What is mean by step-by-step tutorials? Let's see. If I want to learn something, that step-by-step AI will guide me. So this Claude AI is best for this. If we want to learn something that need guide and step-by-step teaching method, let's see. I want to know how to use AI chatbot. Give me step by step to AI. Be professional. Now we can see the answer. How to use AI chatbots and dance AI professional guide. Understanding what AI chatbot are. Prompt response content generation. We can see step 1, understand what AI chatbot are. Step 2, get started with AI chatbots and on. Step 3, learn to write better prompt engineering. I can see that the context, I am a marketing manager at the tech startup, give me 5 bullet summary. Example, that role act like a senior copywriter. We can see that the main thing is prompt writing. A better prompt writing, we need to give proper direction, what we need, proper command. AI will work what we give it in prompt. Stage 4, explore core AI use case, writing, editing, research, summarization, brainstorming, data analysis, coding, learning. This all we can do with AI chatbot. Now some AI chatbot are updating, like Gemini AI, who can create image and create music, also video, but video is premium. We can create with our free account. We can create video. We need to update to Google AI Plus. We can see explore AI use cases. Stay certain and go advanced. Your learning roadmap. Use a chatbot daily, practice basic prompts, master prompt engineering, apply AI to your real work life tasks. Take a beginner AI course, explore experiences, build project. We can see, and there are some options. We can upload our photos, files to here websites. We can also use how Cloud give us the output. We say normal. We can also say learning. If we want to learn something, we select learning, and we need some formal like CV and others thing. We select formal. We also can upload file here. But we have limited users in AI free account. In all AI chatbot. What are the limits to use ChatGPT free account? Profit the data and go to we can see 10 messages every 5 hours. We can use ChatGPT free account 10 messages every 5 hours in this model. Image generation 3 to 2 images per day. We can create images like 3 or 2 images. We can see the summary messages 10 in 5 hours after leaving down to mini model. Image 2 to 3 per day. File upload, we can upload file 3 per day. We can see the limit of using free account. For that we can use multiple Gmail to create multiple account in all AI tools. And we can say how to explanation. If we don't understand anything, we can ask Chatbot AI to how to do this. Like I don't know how to me give simple recipe to cook easy. Okay. I use always be professional after the prompt. Now we can see simple ingredients: egg fried rice. Ingredients need 1 cup of cooked rice, 2 eggs, 2 tablespoons of oil, 1 or 2 cloves of garlic. We can see the recipe of fried rice and how to prepare it. They give me step by step how to do that. If we don't know what to do at any situation of knowing or using AI, we can ask AI how to do that, how to create account, how to delete it in any website. We can do that. So we can see, we can research with it, we can do step by step tutorials, and we can also see how to do anything explain to us. Yeah, I will explain this to us. Let's go to menu Chatbot AI. This is group. Same, we can upload it. Same thing, we can upload here any file and I think we will see that. We also can create image and create video, but it is not free at now. It was free at time, but it is not free at now. But we can create image free in Chatbot group. Chatbot we will see in our image generation class. Language learning. Time to guide step by step. Beginner to advanced. We can see Grok AI. We can see that Grok AI give us step-by-step guide to learn Chinese language. But we want to practice here, so we can say teach me. Now we can see the result. First one, that we say mom, in Chinese they say ma. We can see second one is rising ma. If we can see that we can learn this. Also suggest us to a Chinese app where we can learn Chinese tone like that. Ni man, this means you, how, good, hello. We can see shishi and thank you. We can see you can learn language with AI. Learning language for best, we can use ChatGPT and Gemini and Cloud AI. These three are the best to learn. Now we can see English communication. This is like want to learn English. We can see use Cloud AI and style learning and type I want to learn English communication. Teach me step. We can see Claude AI asks a question: what is your current English level? We can select level 3. I can understand a little, but I can't speak well. Or I can speak but make mistake. What is your main goal? Business, travel, all about that. What is your native language? Other. And we can see that Cloud AI teaches English how to communication with that, focusing in fixing grammar mistakes and travels and say starting single sentence. And we can see that email writing, NCP and cover letter. We can see that write an email about. We need to give a topic. Traffic. Proposal. Give. To give my production. We can see that ChatGPT give us a email writing, email subject about graphic and person, their clients. I hope they find it. We can see it. If we want any formal email, we can also write with it. Sick leave, mail, and others. We can also write with ChatGPT and change where we need to give our information. Right. CV. Wait. Go ahead. Later. For in for graphic design post and the art. Good. Where I need to do my best in professional. We see use style format. We can see Claude AI responsibility. If we give it Gemini and the same thing, we can get the result immediately. We can see your full name, your number, ID, profile link, summary, personal summary, technical skill, design, domain. We can see the proper CV with cover letter. This is our cover letter. And this is our CV. Go to again. Claude AI as a docs file, document file. We can see your full name, definition, email address, date. This is our cover letter, and this is our we can download it from click here, download. It will be downloaded here. Now we can eat here. We can copy from here. So we can use Chatbot to write cover letter. Script writing. We can also write a script for content. Let's use DeepSeek. We can see they have some preference. Instant. DeepSeek will answer quickly. Expert take some time. Deep thinking, deep research. I want to make a reel for YouTube short about digital marketing. Give me script for this for true. We can see that DeepSeek is thinking what we want. And we got our content. Script. The title is has trooped. Visual action. Voiceover. What we will show in our post. This is the visual action and what we need to talk in this video. This is the script for that. Stop boosting post. I am serious. If you want to grow in 2026, do this instant. Boosting is like throwing money in and then instant go to ad manager and create lead from. We can see that a full script for a real content. This is option 1. We also can see option 2, 5-second SEO hack, 5-second SEO hack. We can see it. We can also copywriting formula. Option 3, give us 3 options that we can make it real about digital marketing. So we can create, if we want to create contribution, we need story that we can get from AI chatbot. We don't need to write a script and other thing, or what we need to voice over the video. All chatbot will give us. We can use any of them, but the best is Claude AI, Grok, Google Gemini, and ChatGPT. These 4 are best. We can generate idea for business, idea names, concept. We can also do blog writing, article writing, social media caption, YouTube titles, and description. give me we see it on Perplexity AI name give me about. We can see it research from website, YouTube videos, and other things. We can also give it specific in your country, in your state. We can see the AI consulting service, business name AI Boost Advisor, dropshipping store, freelancing digital service, online return platform, green product resale. Give me 10 products idea with the above. We can see some of retail products idea, eco-friendly, essential, like jute bags, health and wellness items. Text association function, we can see that. And if we ask step-by-step guide for the business, AI will give us. Use multiple AI for better result. For one topic, we can write article, social media post, caption, video titles, and lots of things. Gemini AI is best for YouTube titles, thumbnail, and other social media posts. Let's see going Chatbot AI. We can here deep create images, create video, create web slides for presentation. This is a Chinese AI. We don't need it. We can say deep research and write about a article about global and now we can see when AI research about our topic, we need to specific what we need. There we write an article about global condition, but could you clarify which aspect of the global condition would you like to article on? We need to say specifically. We say in 2006 at now, what is the condition of the world? We can see now tracking IMF, April 2020 global GDP. When I deep research about the topic, if we want one social media and YouTube caption and post, we need to write I upload a reel or video has you upload on Facebook about Facebook about how to use AI chatbot, give me captions with SEO keywords and hashtag. We need to give some information about our video. What's the video about? What we talking about in the video? What we showing with the concept and other things. Some words, some two or one sentence. What the video about? Then Gemini AI will give us title, caption, and hashtag and keywords. We need to give here with SEO keywords, hashtag, and be professional. In 2026 we can give here Facebook specialist, Instagram specialist, YouTube specialist, and he will give Gemini I will give us the whole thing. We also can summarize and analyze data. Effects of AI. AR. We can see a huge article of effects of AI. We simply copy it. Paste here. Also have more. Not that. Copy and paste. We then send things. Now we can see it reuniting and give us the whole article in 10 sentences. We can see how long the article is, so we can summarize a long article into 10 sentences. We also can data analyze, image analyze, and convert image to text. Let's see it. Upload a file. This image, analyze this image. What we can see, this image reference be a professionalized digital banner or cover art for a graphic designer. We can see it can analyze this image. If we want to image to text, we also can do it. ChatGPT, Claude AI, and others. image to text. We can see this image and it gives us as text from that's for all of it for today. That's for today, and your practice is write an article using ChatGPT on the topic or pros and cons of AI, convert an image, converting text into actual text using Gemini AI, and visit all AI chatbot and use for anything that you want to learn. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more.